With that, let's shift our attention now. All eyes are on today's Delhi Assembly session as Chief Minister Rekha Gupta is expected to table the Comptroller and Auditor General report, the CAG report. And you may wonder what could be so special about this report. This is the 8th of the pending 14 reports. This report is titled Prevention and Mitigation of Vehicular Air Pollution in Delhi 2021 and is expected to throw light on the scheme of things under the earlier Aam Aadmi Party government. Now, your channel, Times Now, has accessed exclusive information from the CAG report. These revelations are shocking as they talk about the massive lapses and negligence over the years.
कुल 14 सीएजी रिपोर्ट्स है जो पेंडिंग है, उसमें से कल 8वीं सीएजी रिपोर्ट जो है वो सदन के पटल पर आ रही है। इससे पहले सत्र में 2 रिपोर्ट आई थी और ये कल की जो सीएजी रिपोर्ट है ये वाहन वायु प्रदूषण पर है, उसकी रोकथाम और उसकी असर को कम करने के लिए। तो कल सदन में एजेंडे पर ये लगी हुई है और अगले 2 दिन इस पर चर्चा चलेगी। संबंधित विभागों से इस पर एक्शन टेकन नोट मांगा गया है जिसका 1 महीने के अंदर अंदर उनको रिप्लाई करना है। भ्रष्टाचार की बात कही जा रही है, वो अगर उसमें सब सामने आ रही है तो फिर दिल्ली विधानसभा का सदन जो है वो कॉम्पिटेंट है कोई भी फैसला लेने के लिए।
From negligence in conducting pollution control tests to setting up of air quality monitoring centers at the wrong places, from not conducting regular vehicle inspections to even giving permits to vehicles with high pollution levels under the previous Kejriwal government, this report exposes multiple irregularities. As per the reports, the Delhi Transport Corporation buses and rural service vehicles operated for years with no proper permit or inspection. So let's break this down for you and tell you what are the rules that have been ignored by the previous government. This is the Aam Aadmi Party government that had ignored all of these rules. What was to be done? So let's break down these details for you versus what has been done. So first, let's begin with the rules that should have been followed. Over 6,135 vehicles, the pollution tests were to be conducted. But what was done? About 91% of the vehicles did not undergo any test at all. So imagine that there were several vehicles adding to the pollution because these tests were not conducted. The pollution test is to be conducted, as we know, once in 3 months, but it was not conducted. So there is another violation that had taken place. Lapses from the government that led to you and I suffering. Apart from that, there are 4 pollution tests that are to be done annually, but there was only 1 test that was actually done. So imagine that. It had not undergone the required test. Over 22 lakh vehicles underwent tests and 5 lakh vehicles results were not even recorded. So in some cases where the tests were conducted, the results were not even recorded. So the entire exercise had no point at all. Apart from that, let's also talk about what the CAG report actually exposes and why this is significant and why it's being brought up in the assembly. Let's talk about the lapses. There are over 4,000 vehicles that are above the pollution level. So imagine the impact that it will have on the air pollution. So these vehicles passed the pollution test. That was the excuse that was given. Apart from that, let's also talk about what happened back in 2017 with 20 AQI centers being installed. And believe it or not, while they were installed at wrong places. So the impact that it was to have never really happened because it was all placed in the wrong locations. So imagine the impact that it would have had if all of it was done in an efficient way. And that's the reason why today it will come up in the Delhi Assembly. A showdown is, of course, expected, and we will get you updates from there. But for now, it's time for us to slip into a short break. We'll be right back. Stay with us.